banana time.
Let's go!
Buckle up.
Huh? Come on! Ooh. No.
Everyone in the car must buckle up.
Okay.
La 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 la. We're ready to go.
Super!
Oh, let's go to the candy shop. Be my friend.
Whoa!
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
See what can happen?
Yes.
Always keep your seatbelt fastened in the car.
Okay.
Lunchtime.
Wow.
Oliver, let me fasten your seatbelt.
No.
But you can fall out of the chair. Oh, what's that sound?
Whoa.
Look what can happen.
Okay.
Always buckle up. Much better.
Super! I'm so hungry.
Okay. Now we will play.
Yay! Let's go.
Oliver, you forgot to fasten your seatbelt.
No.
It's necessary for safety. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Uh-oh.
Do you understand why you need a seatbelt?
Okay.
Good job. Come on.
No.
As you wish. Oliver, let her go first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh.
Look what can happen.
Okay.
La 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 la. Time to play video games. Come on.
Look.
Oh, Oliver!
Yes.
Thank you, Oliver. You have learned the lesson well.
Yay!
Diana is late.
I'm late to school.
First rule, don't be late.
Sorry.
Come on,
Okay.
let's go get the next student. Come on.
Hello, Diana.
Oh, hello.
Let's sit together.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Huh?
One kid per seat.
Okay.
Hi, Roma.
Hi.
Oh, food's not allowed on the bus. Come on.
Hello, Roma.
Hi, Roma.
Hello, girls.
Our last student. Hello. Come in. All the students are on the bus. Now let's go to school.
Hello.
Fasten your seatbelts.
Let's play! Yeah!
Who did this?
Oops.
Please don't disturb the driver.
Sorry! So boring.
Yes!
Roma, what are you doing? Don't open windows on the bus.
Oh! Did you see my new clothes? No, show me.
Diana, don't walk on the bus.
Oops.
Okay.
Look what I have! La 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 la! I also have one! Me too!
Don't throw garbage in the bus.
Sorry, we will clean everything!
Oh, I see your school.
Yahoo!
Roma, did you forget something?
Oh no! I forgot my backpack!
Don't forget your things in the cabin. Kids, have a nice day. Hello, class.
Hi, teacher!
Now, science lesson.
I have a lizard! I have a frog!
Diana, clean the whiteboard, please.
Okay. Oh! Teacher, I'm done.
Thank you, Diana. Take a seat.
Okay.
What's this? Roma! What? It's just a joke. A bad joke. Yes, bad joke.
Class, continue the lesson.
Wow! Teacher, I'm done.
The lesson is over.
Yay!
Bye. Hello. Come in. Time to go home.
Now boarding.
Come on.
Let's weigh your luggage.
Okay.
Too much weight. Okay. Great. Welcome. Welcome aboard.
Hello.
Hi. Please fasten your seatbelts. Hello! We're ready to go! You can't put luggage in the aisle.
Sorry, I'll clean everything. Phew. Come on.
Good. Don't throw garbage on the floor. Sorry, I will clean everything. The strong smell might distract pilots and passengers.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. No more.
Sorry, where is the toilet? Right there. Thank you. Attention passengers, we are flying into turbulence. Please fasten your seatbelts.
You need some help?
Yes. Phew. Thank you. Haha. You can't run in the airplane. This might be dangerous. Sorry.
What happened?
Uh-oh. When you listen to music loudly, it may disturb other passengers. Sorry. It's okay. You can use headphones. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Phew. Holiday. Where should I fly? Oliver. No. Antarctica. Oliver, no, no, no. I will fly myself. I will bring you presents. It's so cold in Antarctica.
Next.
Hi.
Where are you flying to?
Antarctica.
Your passport?
Passport.
What?
My passport.
Gimme, gimme. Okay. Go, go. Next.
Come on, come on. Hi. And your luggage. Okay, okay. Water? Big bottle is not allowed. Okay.
Okay.
Wow! I love Antarctica. A snowman! Go home. Let's see Oliver's present. I want to go to the sea. And glasses.
Next.
Hello.
Hi. What?
Any problems?
Is this you?
No. Sorry. This one.
Take this. Take off your hat.
Okay.
Glasses. Okay.
Phew.
No.
Hi. And luggage. Okay.
Come on. Next. Stop. Go back. This is not allowed. Try again. Open your bag.
Okay.
Too much. Huh? Scissors. No.
Okay. Nicey. So many shells. A very big shell. Phew. My treasure. Where to fly next? Australia! I will take my cat.
What? Passport.
Sure, mine and my cat's.
It's you. Okay.
Thank you.
Come on.
What is this? A cat. Where is her carrier? One moment. Flasha! Flasha! Wow, so many animals! I will take some animals home. I will go home, but first I need to find Flasha! 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 I love animals, but most of all, Flasha! Traveling is not easy.